Hi there, welcome to my Kartra Pros and Cons video where I'll be going through some of the pros and cons of Kartra in order to help you make a more informed decision. Now in a moment I'll also show you how you can get your hands on my 12k bonus stack that helps solve the #1 problem that all online businesses have. Now Kartra is an all-in-one marketing platform that has features such as landing page builder, email automation system, sales funnels, membership sites, and so much more. So what are some of the pros of Kartra? Well, #1 is it's an all-in-one marketing solution. So as you can see here, Kartra gives you the ability to run campaigns, gives you access to a marketplace where you can find a product launch campaign, webinar sequences, email sequences, and others, as well as membership site templates, squeeze pages, long sales pages, product launches, webinar registration, affiliate pages, blog homes, and other assets. And if you scroll down, you have everything from pre-made that you can buy all the way down to free options that you can see right here. Kartra also gives you the ability to create your own pages. So all you'd have to do is press play and you'd have access to all these templates that you could go ahead and customize to your liking. You can also create membership sites in Kartra, and you also have your own email marketing functions. So this replaces your need to have an Aweber or GetResponse. You can also create e-commerce platforms, whether you're selling physical products or digital products. Kartra gives you the function to be able to sell everything on this one platform. And you can also run your marketing activities anywhere from email sequences to SMS, giving you ability to create funnels, as well as tracking each and every part of your funnel activity. You also have access to a calendar function within Kartra, as well as your ability to create webinars within Kartra. And you have help desk and live help desks functions, as well as your media center where you can upload videos, images, audios, and files, giving you the ability to integrate all of these functions into Kartra. Now having all of these features under one roof saves you money and time, because everything you need is conveniently placed under one platform. The next pro is Kartra has a user-friendly interface. As you can see, everything is quite clean and clear. If you sell physical products, you can see your sales figures here. You can see your subscription figures here. If you're running an email marketing campaign, you can see your recent broadcasts. You can see your traffic and conversions. And all your key features are on the left-hand side for easy access. On the top right-hand side, you have access to go directly to your dashboard. You can see your profile, you can see your team members, you can see your monthly billings, you can see your agency section, and you can see your affiliate section, making this a very easy, newbie, and user-friendly experience. The next pro of Kartra is Kartra's powerful automation capabilities. Now, because you have everything under one roof, you can automate everything from your landing pages all the way to your email marketing sequence, integrating everything together, whether you're doing it internally or you're using integration to connect to outside tools. Kartra gives you the ability to really control every aspect of a funnel and of a marketing campaign without having to be super tech savvy and doing too much work. Another one of the main pros is Kartra's templates and customization. Now if we go over to pages, Kartra has a wide range of pages to pick from. And if you want to customize it, you can press select, give it a name, custom tester, press create, and here you have a nice clean template to work with. But if you want to customize it, what you can do is come here, press edit. Let's say we pick a YouTube. So let's go to my YouTube channel. Let's grab a video and let's place it in the builder. Press apply. And here you have your first customization, but Kartra also has AI. So if I wanted to fill out this information, all I'll do is come here to Kartra AI, and it's going to ask me what kind of content do you want. I'll say I want content that talks about my video where I share with users how to get a free trial of Kartra. It's going to ask you what kind of tone you want to speak in. I would say authoritative or maybe academic, and then I'd press use Kartra AI. Now it's preparing the content. It might take a few moments as it says, and there you have it. If I move this out of the way, you'll see welcome to a world of opportunity, introducing Kartra's comprehensive business solution. So it's gone ahead and filled out all this information for us. We have our landing page, so we can go ahead and preview it. Nice clean landing page, easy to customize. You can even use AI to create the content itself, and everything you need is right here. So this is another great benefit or pro of Kartra. The next pro of Kartra is its integration capability. Now, if we go to settings, this is where you'll find the integration capabilities. So you will click integrations and then it will pull up all the options you have. So number one, you can see PayPal, you can see Stripe, you can see SendGrid, Twilio, even Zoom, and of course Zapier, which makes it even better because it's guaranteed that you're going to get good quality integration between multiple apps. So this widens your playing field. Not only can you work within Kartra, but you can pull other apps to supercharge Kartra's capabilities, which is key. Now, these do sound great, and I do love Kartra. I use it myself, but I do not want to be biased. I want to give you an honest comparison and breakdown. So there are cons to Kartra that I would love to discuss. Number one would be pricing. Now, some other platforms do have a free offering of their system. Kartra doesn't. You get a 30-day free trial and then you have to go straight into a payment plan. So as a newbie, just for a starter plan, you're going to have to commit to $119 a month. So for some people, especially newbies, that might be a lot of money. Now, another con of Kartra could be the learning curve. Now, if you're new to Kartra or new to internet marketing in general, a funnel can come off very intimidating. As you can see, you have all these options and figures and charts and features. So this might be very intimidating, but I do have a solution for that in my 12K bonus stack. So you may not be confident building a sales funnel or a marketing funnel, even though Kartra gives you a lot of templates. So in the 12K bonus stack, I've addressed that issue for you so you don't have to worry about it. Which does bring me to the next one, which could be considered one and the same, is Kartra could seem like a feature overload simply because all your tools are under one roof. So some users may feel overwhelmed with all of this in one place. And the final con could be simply that with everything under one roof, you are highly dependent on this one software to handle your entire business. And that may be intimidating or risky to some, although Kartra is very, very secure, but just the idea of that for some people may be uncomfortable. Now, do I recommend Kartra? Yes, I think it's a great tool. It's powerful. I use it myself daily. It runs a lot of my marketing businesses, and it's simply because it's for me, I find it very easy. The more you use it, the more you understand it, the more you can really, really get into Kartra. Although I do understand that it might not be affordable for everybody. It might be complicated for some, and maybe the idea of having all your marketing activity under one roof may be unsettling for some. But if you give Kartra a try for free for 30 days using my link below, maybe you can come up with your own conclusions as to if Kartra is for you or not. Now, in the beginning, I did tell you I was going to give you access to my 12K bonus stack that solves the number one problem that all online businesses have. So let's go ahead and reveal this 12K bonus stack. Number one is I'm going to give you access to the 24-hour ranking system. Now, what is the 24-hour ranking system? The 24-hour ranking system is going to show you how to place products and services on the front page of Google using free Google traffic. Now, this means you no longer have to worry about paid ads because you're going to be able to position your product and services in positions 1, 2, 3, and 4 of Google. Now, how is this done? This is done by leveraging the two biggest search engines in the world, Google and YouTube, in order to find your customers and place whatever you have right in front of the search term that they're looking for. And not only does this solve your traffic problems, I understand 30 days of Kartra when you're trying to figure out how to use the system can go very quickly before you have to start making payments. Therefore, we have pre-made funnels within the 24-hour ranking system that you're going to be able to download and start using these funnels right away with minimal effort. All you have to do is customize it because we have funnels for affiliate marketers, for e-commerce platforms, for consultants, for membership site owners, as well as ebook funnels as well. All of these are pre-made and tested and are designed for you to actually make money. So that means the 24-hour ranking system not only takes care of your traffic issue, but takes away the need to learn everything about Kartra in the 30-day free trial. So you have everything to gain and nothing to lose. Next, you're going to get the 12K bonus license. This means that you're going to be able to give this very bonus stack away to your own audience, providing more value and increasing your affiliate commissions, or even just giving it to your membership site members or your course members. After that, you're going to get weekly live access to my mentor, Paul Murphy, where you can ask him any question about your business in order to help you supercharge it. Anything about your funnels, Paul Murphy is your guy. He literally charges $15,000 plus for simple consultations. So this is your chance to get in front of a super affiliate, a 2-time comma award winner in Paul Murphy. And this alone is worth you grabbing the 30-day free trial of Kartra. Next, you're going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Now, this is going to help you get your first couple of listings on the front page of Google, giving you more confidence to take this system and implement it into your very own business or affiliate marketing campaign. So just to recap, you're going to get the 24-hour ranking system, you're going to get unlimited private weekly coaching calls with my mentor, you're going to get access to the 12K bonus stack license to give away, and you're also going to get access to the 4-day Google ranking challenge. Like I said before, this solves your traffic problems and it solves your funnel problem. But I want to give you more value by providing you with an email marketing solution, because email marketing is very much part of a successful funnel. So I'm going to give you access to List Prodigy. Now, List Prodigy not only shows you how to create a super list using a secret traffic source, it also shows you how to increase your open rates and how to monetize your list in order to make thousands of dollars a day. Now, this course is not only newbie friendly, but you're going to learn how to use AI in order to really optimize the whole system in order to make more money. And this course was worth $197, but if you sign up for Kartra through my link below, then you're going to get it for free today on top of the 24-hour ranking system. So not only are you going to learn how to build a mega list, you're also going to learn how to increase your open rates, making you more money. But I also want to give you one more thing before you go. If you decide to get a 30-day free trial with Kartra through my link below, you're going to get access to 90 Make Money Online courses. Now, what do you get in these 90 Make Money Online courses? You get everything from affiliate marketing to email marketing to video SEO, all the way to Bitcoin training, high ticket sales, and so much more. So you're going to get access to the 24-hour ranking system, you're going to get access to List Prodigy, and you're going to get access to 90 Make Money Online courses. All you have to do is go to everslutu.com/Kartra or hit the link below, and you'll be taken to this page where you'll fill in your name, your email, click both of these so you can actually access the bonus because you'll receive an email. Then this will take you to this page where you can press start for free, fill out this information to get access, and you'll get your 30-day free trial. Thank you very much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, leave a comment below in the comment section. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.